Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I am going to show you how to make an essential oil roller for immune support today. When brainstorming to do new content for this year, we came up with an idea to do like more simple videos for those who are just starting in essential oils. And just like quick little videos on how to do like a DIY. Today I'm gonna make a roller or like how to dilute Thieves laundry soap, and little quick videos like that. So drop all of your requests for this series in the comments and I will add it to my list. For the next one, I think I have essential oils for kids and like how to make rollers for them. But anyways, just let me know what you want to see and I will film what you guys want. So this one today specifically is just my immune support roller. So this I think was the very first thing I made when I got my essential oils, like when I got my starter kit in the mail. This is one of the things I was the most excited about, along with sleep support, and it's just something that we've used almost every single day for like 2 years now. So why not start here, right? Okay, so when you are making a roller, you want to just make sure you're diluting it to the proper ratio. And when you join my team, at least, I give you a dilution guide so that you always have that handy just to check. You can also check on Pinterest. It's not, and I don't want you to think it's like an exact, like has to be exactly 5 drops to whatever. And you can also just look on the bottle. Each bottle tells you too, like what you should be using it like. So actually this is a Vitality, so it's not gonna say. So the lemon, it says dilute 1 drop with 1 drop. So basically you just want to make sure it's diluted with the same equal parts to carry your oil. And really a tiny bit of oil goes a long way. So like for example, this is a 10 milliliter roller that I'm making today, and I'm going to do like 5 drops of each essential oil. So less is more, really, and especially when you're starting. So just keep that in mind. And I'm not gonna get too in depth because I really want to about the immune supporting oils and more about that, because I'm doing an entire video around that soon, next week actually. So essential oils can support our immune systems. There are a bunch of different oils to help with this. Thieves is just a really good place to start. That is why Thieves was formulated. It has a bunch of immune supporting oils. And actually I had on here a note. Maybe I'll put the link in the description, but I did have, when I was like looking up and researching things, when Thieves was diffused for like 10 minutes in a room, it killed germs in the air. So rolling on is just one way to get all of the benefits from the oils. Okay, so when you take off the lid to your roller, it'll have the ball on it, obviously, that you need to take off. So you can use a towel, paper towel, if you need to get some grip. Some of these come with little tools to take them off too, but I just usually use a towel and it works. Usually easier than this one. This is slippery and I just put lotion on, so. Okay, so once you get that off, you can fill it up. And the oils that I'm going to fill this up with today are lemon, Thieves, peppermint, and there was one more, oh yeah, and oregano. That's one that I always put in my immune supporting blends. So lemon, I'm just gonna do 5 drops of. It's kind of hard to do this. 3, 4, 5. I should have like been standing at the counter or something. I didn't think this one through. Okay, the next one is oregano. Again, I'm just gonna put about 5 drops in here. If you're making this for children, you'll wanna do less. Oregano is super strong. Sometimes I do even less than that of oregano just because it smells like super strong. Peppermint next. 1, 2, 3. And it is just like approximately 5 drops. When I first started, I was very like adamant on getting the exact per different like recipe that I saw and just trying to be exact and precise, but it's really just approximate. Okay, so now I have 5 drops of each of my essential oil in here. It smells really good. I did a couple more of Thieves just because that is like the immune support oil. So now, once you have the essential oils in there, you can see, I don't know if you can see actually, can you? Yeah, it's filled like up to here. So now you're left with all of the rest of the bottle, and I'm just going to fill it to the top with carrier oil. And that is a question I think I get a lot on too. This is just a good one to use for most things. I probably wouldn't put this on your face, but for any dilution, this is the exact brand and this exact bottle I've gotten the last 2 years. I've gone through like 3 of these. And it's $10. It's liquid fractionated coconut oil. You can use any carrier oil that you want though. There is rosehip oil, jojoba oil, chia seed oil, avocado oil, all kinds of carrier oils. And they're basically just the fatty oils that just dilute essential oils because they're so concentrated, you need to dilute them. Okay. So after it's filled to the top, you just put your little roller back on. I'm gonna use a towel to, pop it. This one is so hard to get on and off. Okay, roller is back on. You just wanna make sure you give it a good shake. And you're done. That is really easy and really actually like fun. Emery likes to help me do this most of the time. But okay, so now that your roller is done, how do you use it? Well, it depends on what the oils are for. This one specifically is for wellness. So I like to put this one on the bottom of our feet. The pores on your feet are large, so oil enters quickly. We also put this one down the spine. But if it's more like an emotional support roller or a sleep roller, you can do your wrists, your neck, peppermint roller for headache, like around the halo, like around your hairline. So it just depends on what the roller is for, but for this one specifically, we do feet and spines. And all right, earlier I mentioned that this is just one way to get the support from these oils. The other way is aromatically or diffusing, so popping thieves and the rest of these oils in a diffuser. You can also add tea tree or more lemon. You can add orange. Tangerine is also a really good one. Citrus oils in general are good for supporting you in that way. But you can also use your fume. This is something I talk about tons and tons. This is my favorite essential oil accessory. And these are just hollow wooden sticks, I don't know what you want to call it, inhalers with a little core in the middle saturated with essential oils. So you just breathe in the oil in through your mouth, out through your nose, and you are getting all the benefits of the oil in that way. So this is a shield core. They have different cores that are already pre-saturated with oil, or you can get a blank one to put your own oils. They do use Young Living though, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is the shield core that I have in it now. And this has a lot of the same oils as what I just put in my blend for my roller. But it also has tangerine and I think, I'm not sure, it's very similar. So you can do it that way. So I just love that you have different options and we all need the extra support right now. So love that. Okay, drop in the comments if you haven't already what video you want to see next and like a quick little how to DIY whatever. It could be how to make the hand soap, how to dilute anything by Young Living, because most stuff can be diluted. A lot of it is concentrated, especially the Thieves household cleaner. But yeah, just let me know what you want to see next and I'll film it. The last thing I want to share with you before I sign off for the day is everyone who buys their starter kit with my link this month will get this, which is with every new and every month. These are the cards that I send that help, that kind of help you get started, just like welcome cards, premium, starter kit, cheat sheet. This is that dilution guide I was talking about. This is how to use the household cleaner, because it's not just a spray for your countertops. You can use Thieves household cleaner for everything. But anyways, you get a bunch of different little info cards and they're good to have on hand. Also, most new members that sign up with me, I give one of these to, because this is the best toothpaste, seriously, like ever. This is my favorite one. It's the Thieves Whitening. It's a newer one. I'm also going to give you guys a pack of the shield course, so you can use my link to get your fume and use these cores and you will not regret it, I promise. And then I have a couple of these really cool gemstone rollers. There's a black, what is that, onyx? I don't really know the names of all of the gems, but a black and a clear like quartz, I think. And the roller is that too. So these are really cool, help you get started. You can make your wellness roller and your sleep roller right in these. But oh yeah, and a bottle of this, because I talked about it today. And this, like I said, is on Amazon. I'll link it below too. So to recap, When you get your starter kit with my link, you get the coconut oil, these 2 rollers, the starter cards, the toothpaste sample, and the Shields course. So let me know if you have any questions on that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye. If you don't want to make your rollers in them, you can also use it as a maraca.